Why build an online audience? 5 reasons to get into internet marketing. There are so many reasons for people to want to get into internet marketing. There are so many ways that you can promote your product online that it's easy to become overwhelmed. I'm going to talk to you about the advantages of building an online audience so that you can have more leads and sales. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 reasons why you should build an online audience. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The first advantage is that you have a lot more control over how your online campaign works than you do with a television or radio campaign. You can adjust everything from where your ads are shown to how long they stay up on your site to what kind of text they have. You have a lot more options than just doing it the old-fashioned way. This opens up a lot of different possibilities for your online business. You have the ability to be in charge and not just rely on someone else's schedule and decisions. The second advantage that you will find is that there is so much less risk involved than with traditional advertising. When you are trying to promote your product or service online, you have very little control over what gets out there. For example, if you decided to run an advertisement for a dog training school, you had better hope that someone looks at it and calls you. If you don't build an audience online, you don't have that same kind of leverage, so you have to really advertise your business online in order to create any kind of response. The third advantage is that you can potentially reach hundreds or thousands of people at the same time as your website. If you have a great website that gives great content, you can start getting traffic almost instantly. This can help you generate leads almost immediately and put your business on the map. It can also lead to sales because it shows that other people think your brand is good as well. One of the most common questions that people have is why should they build an online audience when they have an established radio station or television station? These are great media forms, but they are not necessarily reaching the audience that you want to have. With radio and television, there are set hours during which you can be sure that your advertisements will be seen, and at certain times of the day, they are not visible at all. People are not always available to watch TV or listen to the radio during prime time, for example. If you're hoping to reach people at random times, why not just create your own media presence? The fourth advantage is that the money you can make from online advertising is going to be much larger than what you could make from a traditional advertising campaign. Even if you get a small percentage of 1 million views, you could make $1,000. When you consider that there are many other ways that you can advertise online, why build an online audience? The fifth and final reason why you need a website is that they are easy to put together. There are templates that you can get online that will walk you through the entire process of putting a website together, and they also have video tutorials that will walk you through step by step. Once you have your site up and running, you can then begin to reach out to potential clients online. You can even email your customers. Now that you know why to build an online audience, you can take action immediately. There are 3 things that you can do to begin this journey. Find a good tutorial that teaches you the basics of how to build a website. Find someone who is willing to teach you how to build a website, and sign up to get a free website hosting. It's really that simple. After that, all you have to do is build traffic. Once you have a steady stream of visitors to your site, you can start building a list of clients and start earning money. Thanks for watching my video about 3 reasons why you should build an online audience. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.